Hey guys, so I am going to be making slime today. I'm nervous because I might get messy. I'm on the floor. If you guys are on the floor, have a tray or do it on a kitchen table, desk. Don't do it on a piano. And so what you will be needing is spoon, bowl, glue, and this glue. So today I'm going to be seeing what Elmer's activator and not Elmer's glue does. And you'll also need a container to store it in. And you can actually make this. Don't know how? Do you? You're in a treat. So it is baking soda and contact solution. That is Elmer's secret recipe. So let's get started. So first, you will be pouring 1 bottle of glue. It's so weird. You'll be pouring 1 bottle of glue into the bowl. Okay? The whole bottle. Oh, this isn't very much. Excuse you, Mr. Blue. Goodness. It's a lot of glue just to be gassy. If my phone dies, then we're just gonna have to name this part 2 because it's on like 27%. I don't know if I found it. This is just gonna have to be part 1, sorry. Then you're gonna add a little drop of activator. And you're just gonna mix her up. I'm excited to see the reaction it has. Will this be the best slime ever? Or will it be a FAIL? I've another channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. Matthew's having fun, and my channel. Yeah, that'll be good enough. Let's make a food slime. This is just soup. I feel like this is too much. Not the best idea. Clump together, Mr. Slime. Oh God. thumbs up on this video right now if you think that this slime is gonna work out. Because I don't know if it's gonna be run by the same company or anything. Look at it. It's so yucky. I don't really accept this slime challenge anymore. I used to. It's sliming, but it's not good slime. It's slimed. Oh my gosh. No, Matthew, do not add more activator. Just keep it how it is, but keep kneading. Oh, but no, Matthew, I want to do this. This is your conscience. Listen to your conscience. No, don't listen to your conscience. Do what makes you happy. Okay, I'll just keep mixing then. I'm sorry, but I had to add it. Actually kind of good slime. Oh, but don't do it just yet. Don't put your hands in just yet. You guys are doing the same challenge as I am. I swear. Don't do it. I'm being 100% honest. And I'm doing it just because I'm being safe. They don't know how people stand being on camera. I'm just over here making YouTube videos. I'm camera shy. Believe it or not. On my first YouTube video, I was like, oh no. Just like, oh no. Like, very camera shy. Ugh. Eventually, in like a few minutes, the slime will be getting harder and harder and harder. Good slime. Ooh, I like this slime. Batteries on no battery. So here's my slime I made, everyone. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe. Let me say that if you guys didn't hear me. Let me guys like the video and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.